Okay, well, here are the showers right here. You'll notice them right off to our west. They're moving through the area now. There are some lighter showers as you go farther northward that are currently in our neck of the woods, but things are going to change. They are not going to just remain rain showers. It looks like we'll be watching out for some of that light snow late tonight, but most likely getting into tomorrow morning and on into the afternoon throughout Saturday. But you can see the milder air is in place right now, so everything is in the form of liquid. Looking at our current conditions, lower 50s. Mostly cloudy skies, winds out of the west-northwest at 15 miles per hour. Lower 50s in Marquette. Westward, numbers are beginning to drop just a bit for us. 46 in Ontonagon, at 41 in Ironwood, while in the lower 50s in Florence and in Menominee. So there's the leading edge of that cooler air that will be arriving as we head throughout the evening. And as you go farther east, you will notice that some of that milder air is holding on as well. 50 degrees in Manistee, at 53 over in St. Ignace. Middle 50s in Escanaba and Ishpeming, currently sitting at 50. As far as your winds, well, look at them right now. Northwest at 10 in Iron Mountain, 7 in Escanaba, breezy in Marquette, but look at Houghton at 28 miles per hour. We'll have to deal with the wind throughout the weekend for sure, and that is just going to make conditions even more miserable as we head on into our Saturday, as we'll have to deal with the wind and also the rain and snow. And on top of that, the cold temperatures. But we'll get to that in just a bit. Temperatures across the state are a bit milder as you head farther south. Well, ahead for us today, or for tonight, we are expecting it just to be cold, scattered rain showers. Now, could there be a few flakes? Yes, that's possible, but it looks like most of it does hold off until we get into our Saturday afternoon, which looks to be a wintry one for us, with some minor accumulations probably expected, and that will only be on the grassy surfaces, but we'll talk about that here in a few seconds. And the cold, breezy, and wet conditions linger on into our Sunday before improvements are on their way as we get into Monday and next Tuesday. A look at our setup. This low pressure system will work its way eastward. Behind it will be the windy conditions, as well as the much colder air. We'll have to deal with that snow for tomorrow, and then all of this continues its way eastward as we go on into Sunday. So you'll notice just more of the same for us into Sunday before eventually coming to an end as we get closer to Monday, with maybe another weak feature coming through. But looking at all of this on your Futurecast model tonight, rain showers. Here we go into early tomorrow morning, noticing mostly snow developing for us, and as you head farther westward, that's where we'll probably see those possible accumulations, maybe a half of an inch on grassy surfaces, if that. But it gets out of here quickly, and we'll see everything die down for tomorrow night. We'll head into tomorrow night partly to mostly clear, and then expecting another feature to come through as we head into Sunday and Monday, with another slight chance of maybe a few light snowflakes mixing in with the rain. Tonight we'll drop down to 32 degrees cold, with rain showers on the way for us. Winds out of the northwest between 5 to 10 miles per hour. And yes, I have to say it, here it comes. The snow will be in place as we head on into Saturday, with highs topping off 30s and 40s, and winds up between 10 to 20 miles per hour. 41 in Lawrence, at 43 in Escanaba, upper 30s in Munising, and at 43 in Manistee. Well, if you don't like this weekend, guess what? Things do get better for us as we go into next week. So Saturday and Sunday, yeah, not too pleasant. 39 on Saturday, 47 as we head into Sunday, but 50s on their way back in as we head on into Monday, with some light showers possible for us there. And it looks like continuing that warming trend as we go into next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, with highs eventually getting back into the upper 50s and the lower 60s, where the lower 60s is right where we should be during this time of the year. So we will eventually get back to normal, but just over the next couple of days and going into the beginning of next work week, we'll have to dress warmly. So hopefully you have as good as a weekend as possible. Just make sure to watch out for maybe some slick roadways.